Here's what people are saying about Reliable's Comfort as a Service program.
So I was driving to work one morning and listening to the radio and heard Dan Jape come on, and he was talking about this new program. Got home a few days later from work, and I walk in to the garage, and there's my 30-something-year-old AC unit just struggling, and I'm thinking, you know what? I'm going to talk to the wife and see what she says. So I talked to her, and she says, sure, do you know who you want to call? And I said, yeah, I'm going to call Reliable. Well, Kevin from Reliable showed up, and he came to the door, and he said, Mr. Hawkins, I understand you're interested in a heating and air system. And I said, yeah. So I'd like you to give me a price on a new heating and air conditioning system, both upstairs and downstairs. And he presented the program, and everything he would say, my response was, I don't see a downside. I don't see a downside. And he's like, Mr. Hawkins, I don't see a downside either. He said, I have this program in my house. I said, so you're telling me you're going to put all new system in upstairs and downstairs? He said, yes, sir. He said, and we'll adjust whatever we need to do duct-wise and everything. And I said, really? He said, now you realize, Mr. Hawkins, that as long as you're on this program, that maintenance is included. And I went, what? He's like, yes, sir. He said, we'll come out twice a year. We'll change the filters. We'll, tune up the system. We'll do everything. He said, and if you have any issues, he said, you pick up the phone and you call. And he said, and you move right to the top of the list. And that was how it went. And Reliable is a big company. They're the largest train dealer in the country. That's fine. That's great. Pricing, okay, that's fine. That's great. But what makes a company great are their people. Every single person I have dealt with, from the lady I talked to on the phone to schedule the first interview, to the guys that came and ripped the system out, put the new system in, the salesman, Kevin, everyone has been unbelievable. I mean, if I was hiring somebody, this is the kind of people I would want to hire, because they're professional, they care about what they're doing, and they care about the customer. And you can't teach that. They either have it or they don't. And that's the difference. And anyone ask, Reliable. Don't bother with anybody else. Go with Reliable. That's just how I feel. That's my opinion.